Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon less salty. We'll cover simple techniques to reduce its saltiness, ensuring a more balanced flavor in your meals. You'll learn about soaking, blanching, and proper rinsing methods to achieve perfectly seasoned bacon every time. Let's dive into these easy steps to enhance your cooking and enjoy delicious, less salty bacon. One effective way to reduce bacon's saltiness is by soaking it in cold water. Simply place your bacon strips in a bowl of cold water for about 15 to 30 minutes. This process helps to draw out some of the excess salt. For even better results, you can change the water once or twice during the soaking period. Remember to pat the bacon dry before cooking. Another quick and effective method is blanching. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then add your bacon strips and let them boil for just 2 to 3 minutes. This brief boiling period rapidly removes a significant amount of salt. After blanching, drain the bacon thoroughly and pat it completely dry with paper towels before proceeding with your preferred cooking method. It's a great way to mellow the flavor. Before cooking, a simple rinse under cold running water can also help reduce surface salt. After rinsing, it's crucial to pat the bacon completely dry with paper towels. This step ensures your bacon will crisp up nicely. When cooking, use medium-low heat and cook slowly. This allows the fat to render properly and the bacon to become perfectly crispy without burning, enhancing its overall flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.